friends, it's Ren and Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 22nd to the 28th of 2021. So lots of fantastic deals in this flyer. We still have this going on for another week, and I'm going to talk about the strict rules for this. But basically, it's a spend offer. If you spend these increments, you get the Walgreens cash back. So it's been taking place both last week and then this week. So it's a 2-week span. So again, it's until the 28th. If you want to know how much you can spend, it's usually a $90 cap between the 2 weeks. You just have to, maybe write it out, the deals that you did and how much, Walgreens cash you got for them. I did 2, so I think I got like $15, so I'm still in it for next week. For the balance, you have to use your debit card, credit card, cash bills for the balance. Do not use store register rewards, IVC, or Walgreens cash, or you will not earn the reward of 5, 10, or 30. Okay, guys, so the promotion here is $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of the following participating products. So this is Walgreens cash. It is not a register reward. Please pay attention. So for this one, we're going to grab 4 of these Crest toothpaste. Grab the pro ones if you can find them in your store. They're $3 each, and we have a new 6 off of 4. So grabbing 4 of them, guys, that's 12 on the nose. Remember, we have that 6 off of 4 digital that's showing up on Sunday morning. You're going to pay 6 out of pocket, get back $8 of Walgreens cash. Remember, you're buying 2 sets of them, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you pick up the pro boxes, if you remember, there was another thing that if you bought $10, you got back a $5 register reward, and the pros were working for the longest time. If that does in fact print, this will be free plus a $7 moneymaker. We'll have to wait and see for that one on Sunday morning. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Alrighty, now we're going to try and factor one of these guys in with both the toothpaste deal and another one of those promotions. So we're going to do like a 3-in-1 and see how this works. I'm going to try this one out on Sunday morning. So if you want to wait for me, I'll have my findings. But I also want to grab 2 of these, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital. So you could either grab the body wash or the deodorant, both men or women. It is your choice, and it's 2 for $13. So again, we're going to grab 4 of the Crest for $12 and then 2 Dove products for $13. So the total here is $25. Now that booster that I showed you, we're going to have that loaded digitally, which is a 5 back when you spend $25. Along with, I have my 6 off of 4 for the Crest and the 2 off of 2 for the Dove. I'm paying $17 with my debit card, and then I'm getting back $17 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to get back $12 for both the Crest and the Dove, and then another $5 for the basket. And if I get my $5 register reward from the Crest, this will be a money maker. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Dove is part of their catalog, and yes, you will get back extra points for that purchase. This is a solid deal. I cannot wait to try this out on Sunday morning. Alrighty, guys, the next little dealio that we have is, again, we're going to try and use one of these boosters. So hopefully you didn't go for $90 that first week. We're going to grab 2 of these. So we're going to grab both a Tide liquid and a Tide pod. And there's going to be a $3 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So definitely load those. And the offer for this is a $5 register reward when you buy 2. So how nice is that? Now to the basket, we're also going to throw in one of these guys, the All or Snuggle. It is your choice. And there's also a $1.50 digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning. So for a product that's $6.49 usually, yeah, that is a really good value. So at the very least, get this on its own. If you're going to do nothing, do this one deal. Okay, so grabbing 2 of the Tides, 1 liquid and 1 pod, that's $23.98. And then 1 Snuggle for $2.99. Well, your total is $26.97. We have our booster loaded. And so we have $7.50 of digital manufacturers, the 2 threes for the Tide and the $1.50 for the Snuggle. You're left with paying $19.47 to your debit card. That doesn't include your tax. And then you're getting back $5 of Walgreens cash for the booster, plus a $5 register reward for the Tide. So it makes it $9.47 for the 3 items. And let's not forget, because we're using that booster, we cannot use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now let's just say you're like, you want this, but you don't want to do one of those booster deals. You're like, I want this on the cheap. So I got you. I got another deal. Okay, guys, so just looking at this a different way, we're going to grab a filler item, which is an iced tea for $1. And then the 2 Tides, which is the pod and the liquid, for $23.98. So the total here is $24.98. If you remember last week, we were getting those $6 register rewards for the Tide deal. So we're going to present that to the cashier first. Along with the 2 digitals, the 3 for the liquid and the 3 for the pods will come off. And then we're going to throw in $10 in Walgreens cash. So you're paying $2.98 out of pocket plus your tax and getting back a $5 register reward. For this specific scenario, if you want to, pay with Walgreens cash, it's totally fine. We're not using a booster with this, so it will work perfectly. Okay, so another deal with this, we're just going to go in a different avenue with some fancier razors. Alrighty, so with the Venus, it's $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. If you look at exactly the center, there's a Venus one with that Tiffany green. That is $10, so we're going to grab both a men and a women's in that new kind of box, and they're selling them for $10. Okay, and these are the digital coupons. You're going to need this $3 for the ladies and the $3 for the men, so make sure you have these 2 loaded. And then we're also going to grab 7 of these Renewsit cones. There's a buy 4, get 2 for free digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday morning. Please make sure that that coupon comes off perfectly, because sometimes only 89 cents comes off for me. So you might have to call customer service for the extra 89 cents, which is a big pain in the butt. Okay, guys, so 2 of those razors at $10 a pop, a men and a women, that's $20. 7 Renewsit cones at 89 cents is $6.23 for a total of $26.23. That 5 back when you spend $25, you have that loaded. And then we're going to subtract $7.78 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $18.45 to your debit card and getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the Gillette deal, and then 5 for the booster, making it $3.45 for the 9 items, or 38 cents each. And do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one. The next deal that we have is on the Toffifee 2 for $4. Now, guys, I'm making this video on a Friday, so what it's going to be on Sunday, if it's $2.99 per box, that's a different story, or perhaps curbside prices are different than in-store. So we'll have to go in-store and read the tag, so just know there's a little thing here that you're going to have to pay attention when you're in the store. However, this is still a superb deal. We have this $1 digital coupon for the Toffifee, and it's a 12-piece box, and that's the cheap one, $1 off. So that's valid till the 27th, so load it. You have till Friday to do this deal. Over on IBOTTA, there's 75 cents back, so how wonderful is that? Please make sure you have this rebate loaded as well. Okay, looking at the mathematics for this, grabbing 2 of them, let's read the tags in store, because if it's 2 for $4, rock and roll in store. If not, perhaps you can do it as a curbside pickup. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $3, getting $1.50 back from IBOTTA. That's 75 cents times 2, making it $1.50 for the 2, or 75 cents per box. Now, if it's just $2.99, if that was just a weekly promotion for the week previous, again, I'm not in store this morning, so I can't really look at the tags. But at the very least, if they're $2.99, subtracting that $1 digital, paying $1.99 out of pocket, making a 75-cent submission to IBOTTA, making it $1.24. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, by all means, and triple check the tags when you're in the store, or how these items are ringing up, if it's 2 for $4 or $2.99 per. Okay, so now we have a little paper deal. These Scots and Kleenexes are $5 a pop. There's a $1.25 IVC, drops it down to $3.75. So grabbing 3 of them, that's $15. Subtracting that $1.25 IVC, scan it once, and it'll apply to all of them. So the new total is $11.25. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.25. I think this is really smart with all the rumors and stuff of paper inflation in September. Let's not forget to take a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app, because you will get back extra points for the purchase of these paper products, as Kimberly-Clark is part of their catalog. Okay, guys, and if you don't like my iced tea for the filler item, maybe you can go to the dollar spot and grab 2 of these Dove. It's like a little lotion. And with your IBOTTA account, there's $1 back when you buy 2, so triple check that you have this rebate. These are found in the dollar spot, so for 2 of them, that's 2 on the nose. Then you'll make that dollar back submission when you buy 2 with IBOTTA. So it would make it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per hand cream. This is a great filler with one of those boosters. Okay, so now we're going to look at some quick honorable mentions, guys. So back to school, lots of supplies, 5 for 1, that's really great. Those Mead notebooks, I think there's like a 50-cent back when you buy 2, so a quarter back for each. A BOGO free with those Wexford backpacks, so if you need last-minute school supplies, Walgreens is your place. And then, you know how I'm always like, buy iced tea for $1.88, so you could save money. Just make sure that all the math balances, but if you want one of these brisk teas, it's cheaper than $1. And then we have Labor Day in a couple of weeks, so lots of drinks, that sort of stuff, really cheap, 2 for $6 for this. So I might have to go and get some of these because my husband loves those Cokes. For the barbecue, for the Labor Day, we have a BOGO free for Oscar Mayer Heinz. Remember, Oscar Mayer, I believe, is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, so photograph your receipt, you'll get back extra points for that one. And we also have the adult beverages, $8 mail-in rebate for the Butt Seltzers, and then the Sunrise, a $10 mail-in rebate. Let's remember those are once per household. It comes out of the Catalina machine. You have to send your receipt, the UPC of the box, and your information, and they'll either send you back a check or like a Visa gift card. And more drinks, we have the Coca-Cola, the good stuff, 2 for $6.99, and then you'll get 1 for free, and the same thing with the Smart Water and the Gold Peak tea. And then bacon for all of our keto dieters, 2 for $8. This is a really good price point. You're getting a pound of bacon, so I might have to grab a couple of those because that's like $4 for bacon. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.